Living in Florida, it is hot. And it's even hotter in your car. And when your AC stops working, it can be devastating. Call Black Widow today.
BlackWidow Auto Repair and Sales. This is Renee. Can I help you? Yes, we do AC here.
Call Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales. We will give you a free AC inspection and let you know exactly what you need to get you cooled back down. Our trained technicians will get you repaired quickly at the lowest price possible. At Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we are here for you.
Black Widow, we're here for you.
Black Widow, we're here for you.
Our customer satisfaction is our top priority.
No credit, no problem. At Black Widow, we have easy credit in a snap. At Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we will make sure it's done right the first time, making sure we test everything the first time to make sure your car is running correctly. That's why at Black Widow, we are here for you. Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, located at 12087 62nd Street North, Suites 1 and 2, Largo, Florida 33773. Call us today at 727-220-1811. Black Widow is proud to be a family-owned and operated business.
Black Widow.